Uh-oh, air conditioning's not working. Air conditioning capacitor blew up. All the guts are all over the place. The air conditioning capacitor blew its guts. Uh-oh, what a mess! Scraping up the air conditioning capacitor. Scraping up the messes everywhere. I'm scraping up the air conditioning capacitor. Wow, still a mess. Wiping up the air conditioning capacitor. All the messes everywhere. Wiping up the air conditioning capacitor. Still a mess. Spraying down the air conditioning capacitor. Cleaning up the mess that's everywhere. I'm spraying down the air conditioning capacitor. Uh-oh, wires are damaged. I'm taping up the air conditioning wires so that the electric doesn't get out. I'm taping up the air conditioning wires. Uh-oh, the capacitor's loose. Screwing down the air conditioning capacitor so that it doesn't fall out anymore. Screwing down the air conditioning capacitor. Uh-oh! Time to test it. I'm testing out the air conditioning condenser, seeing if it blows out warm air. Testing out the air conditioning condenser. Wow! I think it's done!